All right, man. We're at
Greetings,
Skydive Key
people
West.
of the earth. We out here at Skydive Key West, and we about to go skydiving for the first time. I'm in the Florida Keys, and I'm gonna be living life to the fullest today. Love y'all. Hit that like and sub button. Peace out. Live life to the fullest, baby. 10 out of 10, infinity out of 10.
Hey, man, you did it.
Hey, we be flying like a bird, baby. Hey, live life to the fullest.
Here, pull the left side, man. Do a turn.
Live life to the fullest. We be doing a turn to the left, baby.
Let's go right.
Woo! Let's go right. Woo! Yeah! Flying like a bird in the Florida Keys, Key West.
You want to do a turn, man? Hit it, hit it.
Life is too short to be scared.
Right.
Life is too short to have fear. Live life to the fullest, man.
Big turn, ready?
Big turn. Whoa! We be diving like a bird. That's how the hawks fly, baby.
Hey, man, I'm glad you had a good time, brother. We'll catch you on the ground, all right?
Yeah, we'll catch you on the ground. Love y'all.
Zip.
Hey, greetings, people of the earth. We made it to the ground. First time skydiving, and I gotta tell you, this is one of my new passions for sure. Live life to the fullest. Fly like a bird. Don't be scared. Don't have fear in your mind or your heart. Life is too short to be fearful. You gotta live life to the fullest, and you gotta experience the beauty of the earth. Oh, they just coming in. They landing too. Hey, shout out to my person who helped me with my first skydiving experience. What's your name again?
Marcus.
Marcus, thank you so much, Marcus.
Thanks, brother. Thanks for
He's
the
been
jump
on
today, man.
16,000 flights, and he straight up is an awesome person. Shout out, Marcus.
Thanks, man.
Thank God. Thank you, Earth. Thank you, son.
How we going, man?
Peace out. Love y'all.
See ya.